Hi guys, today it's another video. We are trying out American candy and crisps, savories, chips, they may say. Okay, first, milk duds. If you don't know what a milk duds, that's what they are. A picture. This is what a milk duds looks like. They're sticky, but good. Look at that. They're really hard to chew. So it'll take me like 40 minutes to chew.
Oh God, we couldn't finish it.
Too chewy for me. I was like this midway. Over there, rankings for 7th. Next, I'm trying Thing by Us. Sorry if I said it wrong. But they are
this weekend
fried
and next.
guinea
Meaning this weekend and next weekend.
fried guinea pickle.
So you're having him next weekend for Louis' party this weekend. I know, but you said it.
I probably would eat these all day if I could. Breakfast, morning, all day long. Yeah, very good. Very, very good. Next, I hope you guys love M&Ms.
The rest of you.
So we have 2 M&Ms here. We got pretzel and then big red packet is peanut butter. Look, this is the peanut butter filled ones. How do they put stuff in M&Ms? No, very good. I should admit. Next,
Taking it to that.
circlish ones.
What are these?
Pretzels. Do you want to see the inside?
I'm going to get him back at 11. Marie's saying...
That
she
is the
might do,
inside.
like, picky lunch and cake for us lot.
That
If I
is a
have to.
pretzel egg. That's your pretzel.
What's happening?
That
I need to go to Smith or something.
us. I have seen these. They were horrible.
Huh?
Do not recommend. Next, these. They're it's a whole packet. Raw championship flavour. Let's see what we could see. Made by Pringles. They're here. Oh, wait. Pickle. Ranch. Pickle. Ranch. Pickle. Ranch. They're very good. Recommend. Fly to New York and get these now. These are the weirdest snacks we could find. And these are some accessories we got. Snow globe. From Home Alone, the rubber. Hat bag. And you know Sunny Angels, a massive collectible brand. I got the animal ones and I got the deer. Make sure to like and subscribe. Bye!